What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we got some more winning products. But if you haven't seen this video down below, AliExpress just added a new feature, and I hope you guys are updated because this is gonna make finding winning products a lot easier. So if you want to watch that video, link is in the description. We just hit over 20,000 views on that video, so we're making noise. All right, we're making a lot of noise. Before we actually begin, here is today's common winner. We're gonna go over your website, your Instagram, and your Facebook pages. So if you want to win today's common winner video, all you have to do is comment down below, subscribe, and you got to hit the notification bell, guys. Those are the 3 keys to be successful. Man, guys, I've been feeling really good. Everything is running smoothly. Q4 is here, businesses is running well. I got the sun shining, I got my water for all the thirsty people out there. We are grinding, okay? I hope you guys are grinding too. And if you need any type of help, guys, you can go back and watch all my videos. You can go join the Facebook group, you can join my program down below. There's a lot of things you can do, especially if you're trying to be successful in Q4. So let's not waste any time, guys. Let's hop straight into this video. Now with the cat snitch, there's a lot of variety of products. I didn't really want to go in here and select one product and give you guys so that you guys can promote it. I actually found a store that's promoting multiple products and they're actually making a killing. Now if we actually go on Google and type in cats, or you can say type cat items for sale, you can actually see what's actually in demand once you type in the keyword inside Google. So you see that these are actually Google shopping ads which people are literally searching for right now. Okay, so you see that they have all these self cleaner, they have these cat furnitures, they have cat shirts, they have a lot of variety of products that you can really look into. Especially I've seen these sell really well on AliExpress. So you can go on Google and find winning products that way because these are searched products. Okay, these are in high demand and people are literally searching for this for these products. Also, guys, I know that a lot of you guys have been wondering, like, how the heck have I been finding these winning products? Well, there's different ways to find winning products, guys. There's so many different ways, and there's no right or correct way. It's all about research, right? A lot of people ask me, like, how do you know this is selling? How do you know this is that? Well, you can't know until you actually test out the product and you can actually go in and see, you got to do the research, right? You have to do the extra research to be able to see if it's a winner. If you come up to me and ask me, is this going to sell? Is this going to be even good? You have to go in, type in the keyword in Google, type in the keyword in Amazon. You got to look around and see why this product is actually selling, and then you can go out there and go test it, right? It's literally that simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate things. It's all about research. You have to go the extra mile to be able to see if your product is going to sell. So what you can actually do is go into the search bar on Facebook and type in free shipping. Okay, it's literally that simple, guys. You can go in and type in free shipping and all the products will literally pop up right inside the search bar. So you can go into the post, you can go into the videos. And what I like to do is just go on to videos just because videos convert a lot better. You can really find some good winners, especially when you type in free shipping, because a lot of drop shipping sites offer free shipping. So you can go in, see what kind of products they have. You have these with 200,000 views, 1 million views, 600,000 views, 600,000 views. I've never seen this one before. You have one that's like 1 million views, 300,000. So you have products that are getting instrumental amount of traffic, and you can go in there and base your judgment if that product is selling or not, right? So here's a product that's actually killing. You can see that this has about 300 comments. Okay, somebody's like scam alert. $24.90. So they're selling this product for $24.95. So if you're in the fitness niche, this might be a really good product. I've never seen, like, this is a good product that will really benefit someone, right? It's very simple, it's new, it's cutting edge. It tells you some directions that you can do. They actually raise the price. They're actually trying to make a lot more. Okay, then they have a really good detailed product page. They got some reviews. So this, in my opinion, is a solid product. So you can go in and type in free shipping and then do your research, even type this product into Google. You can go on AliExpress, see how many orders it has. So there's a lot of different ways to find these winners, and that's how I've been basing my judgment on if the product is selling or not. So all these products that I've been announcing on this winning product challenge
are definitely products worth testing. So, you know, don't take it for granted, guys. Back on subject, sorry I was sidetracked, but what I actually found in the cat niche is that this page right here, it's pretty big. It's actually one of the best cat pages out there. It's called Amazingly Cats, and if you can go on the info and ads section, you can actually see what kind of ads they're running right now. Okay, these have been selling really well. You can see that they're selling these mats right here. You can see that they're selling what else? This is like a nose cleaner. I don't know what this is, but it's definitely okay. So it's like a toy. So that's really cool. Okay, so this is a detangler for a cat. So this could be really useful, right? You have another one with the gloves. This one, I've been seeing a lot of these lately. I'm not sure if this is saturated, but I mean, they're still running their ads, so it's definitely still running, right? Really cool ad, different colors, variety, so customers can pick, right? Here's another ad of the glove. Here's that Google product I was talking about, right? This is the that Google product that I was saying. If you type in the product, if you type in the keyword on Google, guys, those are searchable products that people want, and this is a product that they're literally running ads for, right? So you don't want to miss out on this one, especially. This is a really good product, especially when, you know, the user or the customer doesn't have to do any work. They just put it on there. The cat goes out if she needs to, you know, groom herself or clean, you know, they can come up there and do their own work, right? Very simple product. And they're actually selling this product for about $14.95, so that's not bad. And they're doing quantity breaks, so the more you buy, the cheaper it is, right? So a lot of people are gonna want to get more, especially when, you know, these furs and all that is gonna get stuck on them. So you can, you know, $14.95, that's not bad. I'm sure you can get this product for about maybe $2, $3, sell it for $14.95. Get a good deal, you know, Facebook ads maybe $5 per purchase or whatever, but you're gonna have a really good deal with this product, right? Let's see, so we have this one right here, not sold in stores. Okay, so most of the products are really things that gets cats distracted, so you might want to check those type of products out too. Okay, so here's another product too right here. See, this cat page literally has all the cat products that you would want. So anybody in the cat niche or the pets niche or the animal niche in general really should hop on this page. So this is like they play with the fish smells or whatever. Not bad product. This is probably a retargeting ad for their store. If you're not running retargeting ads, guys, you're missing out, okay? You are missing out big money, okay? You know, if you're running ads and you're saying, oh, I haven't got no sales, I haven't, you know, I'm wondering, you know, what can I do with the visitors that are, you know, that haven't bought from my site? Retarget them, guys. Retarget them to your whole store. Retarget them to the same product, but with a different ad. You have to run retargeting ads, guys. I can't stress that enough. So this page literally has so many products, guys. Literally so many products that they're running cat ads on, man. These guys are, and this is definition of testing. Like, you have to run ads. You have to, you know, go out there and do your research. You got to go out there and, you know, do the extra work so that you can actually see if that product is selling. If you just go and watch these videos and you just brush it off, because these products are selling, whether you believe it or not, whether you, you know, you don't sell it or you sell it, they're selling in Q4 right now, okay? So it's all up to you. If you're being lazy and watching other videos, if you're just, you know, trying to find the secret sauce, you have to go out there and go test these products out, right? You can go into this website, Amazingly Cats, or you can go onto the Facebook page and see what other products they're actually selling and import it onto your store, and you can do the exact same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is part 6. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new, because I drop daily content on the daily. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to check the link down below. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be a banger, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.